If your rice keeps turning out mushy one day and undercooked the next, or you're just tired of babysitting a pot on the stove, you're not alone. Getting perfectly cooked rice shouldn't feel like trial and error every single time, but for a lot of people, it does. Today, we're taking a close look at the Emson Rice Robot Personal Rice Cooker, a compact, beginner-friendly rice maker that promises to simplify the entire process down to basically one button. It's clearly designed for small households, students, busy professionals, or anyone who just wants reliable rice without the guesswork. But does it actually deliver? Or is it just another as seen on TV gadget? Let's get into it. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how compact and lightweight this thing is. It doesn't try to dominate your kitchen counter, which is honestly refreshing. The design is simple and clean, with a no-fuss lid and a straightforward control system. It feels more like a practical everyday appliance than something flashy, and that's a good thing. The inner pot has a ceramic non-stick coating that's PFAS-free, which is a nice touch if you're trying to avoid certain chemicals in your cookware. It doesn't feel cheap either. The materials strike a balance between lightweight and durable enough for daily use. What really stands out is how beginner-friendly everything feels. You get measuring cups, a serving spoon, and even a recipe book with 60 ideas, which makes this especially approachable if you're new to cooking. The stainless steel steamer tray is another bonus, letting you cook veggies or dumplings at the same time as your rice. It's clearly built for convenience rather than complexity. Now, when it comes to performance, this is where the Rice Robot tries to earn its name. The click and cook system is about as simple as it sounds. You measure your rice and water, press the button, and that's it. No timers, no settings, no second guessing. In real-world use, it actually does a solid job of delivering consistent results, especially with white rice. You're not constantly checking the pot or worrying about burning the bottom layer. It automatically switches to a keep warm mode once the rice is done, which is one of those small features that ends up making a big difference in daily use. Cooking time is pretty standard for a small rice cooker. Not super fast, but not slow either. It's quiet while running, so you can leave it on without it becoming background noise in your kitchen or dorm room. And when it comes to cleanup, this is where it really shines. The non-stick pot makes rinsing off leftover rice quick and easy. And since it's dishwasher safe, you don't have to spend extra time scrubbing. That's a big win if you're cooking frequently. That said, it's not perfect. The one quart capacity is great for 1 or 2 people, but if you're cooking for a family or meal prepping large batches, this probably won't cut it. You'll find yourself running multiple cycles, which can get a bit inconvenient. It also doesn't have advanced settings for different rice types like brown rice or quinoa. So if you're looking for precision control, this might feel a bit limited. And while the build quality is decent, it still leans more toward lightweight than premium. Compared to other rice cookers in the same price range, this one stands out mainly for its simplicity. Some competitors offer more features, like digital controls or multiple cooking modes, but they can also be more confusing to use. The Rice Robot leans into being straightforward and reliable, which honestly makes it a better choice for beginners or anyone who just wants something that works without thinking too much about it. It's less about versatility and more about consistency. So who is this really for? If you live alone, in a dorm, or just want a compact, no-hassle way to cook rice, this is a solid pick. It's also great if you're tired of inconsistent stovetop results and want something that just works. But if you need larger portions or more control over different types of grains, you might want to look at bigger, more advanced models. At the end of the day, the Emson Rice Robot does exactly what it promises. It makes rice cooking simple, consistent, and low effort. It's not trying to be the most powerful or feature-packed option out there, and honestly, that's part of its appeal. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description so you can see the latest price and availability. And if this helped you decide, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.